Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can fix your site not giving away any sound on Google Chrome. So it's going to be really simple tutorial guys, you just have to follow along. So there have been a few changes within the Google UI in these past few years, so I'm going to show you how to do it in a new way. So first things first, you need to click on these three dots. After that you go to settings. After you go to settings, you need to go to privacy and security. So after you go to privacy and security, you need to look for site settings. After that, you need to scroll down a little bit until you can see the additional content settings. And here the sound panel should be located. The thing that you need to look for is just to set this to sites can play sound. So here you can allow any sites to not play sound. Here you can allow sites to play sound. And you can also see another thing, maybe you have opened your Google Chrome and you have set it to 0, so this may be also an issue regarding to your situation. But yeah, if there's any other problems, write in the comments guys, I will help you. And yeah, that was it for the video guys. I really hope that I've helped you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.